guys, welcome back to my channel. So we all know that the wedding season is upon us, and I recently attended a college friend's wedding as well, which got me wondering that I haven't shared a makeup tutorial with you guys in a really long time. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a glam bridesmaid or a wedding guest makeup look, which is perfect for beginners and is going to be an easy makeup look. And to make it more informative for you guys, I have Pavni here with me, who is a professional makeup artist, and she's really good. Because let's be honest, I'm also a beginner and I really need her help. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Now, step one is the base, and since your makeup needs to last all day or all night long, getting the base right is super important. I'm starting off with the moisturizer, which is the Lakme Lumi Lit Cream in the shade Golden Glaze. This is a really cool product and I love it because I can also use it as a highlighter because it has a really nice sheen to it, which means I also have lesser products to carry with me if I'm traveling somewhere for the wedding. It also has hyaluronic acid, which keeps my skin super moisturized all day long. So my skin is completely moisturized and you can see that little bit of shine as well, which I'm absolutely loving. The Lumi Lit Cream comes in more shades as well, so you can pick out the one that suits your undertone. I went for the warmer one. Now moving on to step 2, which is concealer. We're going to quickly hide those dark circles and brighten the face a little bit. Now we're just quickly blending out the concealer with a brush. Pavni, I do want to ask you though, for all of us beginners here, how can we avoid that grayness when we apply the concealer?
Well, choose a right shade of concealer as per the concern of the face. Also, it should blend with your skin seamlessly.
So I think whenever I have faced that grayness issue, it's mostly been because probably I don't have the right shade. So keep that in mind, guys. Step 3, foundation. And we're using a beauty blender to blend it all in together. Pavni here just gave me a really cool tip, which is to add a little bit of the Lakme Lumi Lit moisturizer into your foundation to make it a little dewy and give that extra shine to your face, because we are trying to get that glam look for this video. Also, always make sure that you apply the foundation to the neck as well, so that your face and your neck matches correctly. So I'm done with the base. It was so simple, just 3 products using the Lakme Lumi Lit Cream, the foundation and the concealer. Now we're going to quickly add some color to the face, so the blush and the eye makeup. I'm keeping it very simple so that you can also recreate it easily. Just one base color and then adding a little bit of shimmer on top of that. So we've used a very nude color, and you can also add the same to lower lash line to complete the eye look. So as you guys can see, we're adding a little bit of that golden shine just with the fingers on top of the eyelids to give it that nice glam quotient. Now we're quickly doing the mascara and moving on to the highlighter. So now for the highlighter, I'm using the Lakme Lumi Lit Cream again. I'm using it again in the shade Golden Glaze, and it's going to elevate my look, giving it a starlit shine, which is totally going to light up the party. And honestly, the product shines like makeup but feels like skincare. Pavni, I'm always confused about where all I should be applying the highlighter.
Always on the high points of the face. Cheekbones, a little bit here, this area. Also, the cupid.
Okay, that's interesting because I never applied on my cupid's bow.
And one more thing, you can also accentuate your collarbones.
I love
And
that.
as we are using a cream product, better to use your fingers.
I absolutely love how glowy and shiny and lit up my skin looks right now. I cannot wait to show you guys the complete look. Just going to finish off with the lipstick and present you the final look. I added a bit of jewelry and did my hair into soft waves for the final look, and I absolutely loved how the makeup turned out. It went so well with my outfit, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more makeup tutorials, because I'd love to do that for you guys. And as usual, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.